Hey friends, if you wish to troubleshoot Windows Media Players, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the right media players. What do I mean by this? So right click on the start button, select settings, go to the system tab, scroll down, click on troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters, scroll down, click on run corresponding to the Windows Media Player troubleshooter. And where does it lead us? To the get help page. Is this useful? No, it's absolutely useless. Okay, if I had to do it manually, then what's the point? But if you wish to access these troubleshooters, the right ones, then I am giving you scripts. It's in the description section of the video. The first script is for the Windows Media Player settings troubleshooter. Press the Windows key and the R button together, paste it here and hit enter. Click on next and it will you can apply this fix, and then you can fix it. The next one is the Windows Media Player library troubleshooter for the list in the libraries. Now for this, press the Windows key and the R button together, clear the field, paste it here, hit enter, click on next, click on apply this fix, and then yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.